Welcome to Make Food Thy Medicine. This is Dr. Bijal Dave. I know I've been missing for a week because I was vacationing with my family in beautiful Maldives. This is absolute paradise. It has beautiful pristine beaches, clear waters, and it's one of a kind. I'll share my pictures with you soon. But today, as far as our recipe goes, summer's almost over, but I still have some garden zucchini left. So I'm going to make an almond flour keto zucchini bread today. Okay, so let's go over the ingredients. So for this recipe, I'm going to use 1 cup of grated zucchini. I've removed the excess water and this is just the dried grate remaining. I'm also going to use 1 cup of almond flour. 1/4 cup of almond flour contains 7 grams of protein. So we have 28 grams of protein here. I'm using 1/2 cup of whole wheat stone ground flour. This one also contains 7 grams of protein in 1/4 of a cup. So we have 14 grams of protein here. I'm going to use 1/3 of honey, 1/3 cup of honey to sweeten, and 1 banana. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of regular yogurt, just plain whole milk yogurt, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. This will add the good fats, protein as well as fiber. 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Okay, so let's start making the recipe. So the first step would be to mash the banana. So I'm going to use this and mash the banana real well in this wide bowl. To that, I'm going to add yogurt. Yogurt actually helps to make the bread very soft. Since I'm not using an egg in this recipe, I'm going to replace it with yogurt, and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil that goes in there too. Sorry, that was 1 tablespoon, along with the honey. The wet ingredients have been mixed together. Now I'm going to add the almond flour, whole wheat flour, cinnamon, chia seeds, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. And we will mix it all together very well. So our batter is almost ready. The last ingredient to go in will be the zucchini. And we'll mix it all up together. And the oven is being preheated at 350 degrees. And the mixture will go in for roughly 45 to 50 minutes. Okay. So the zucchini is mixed into the batter, and now this is a pre-greased foil that I'm going to empty the batter contents into. So before this goes into the oven, I'm going to line it with pecans. You can use walnuts or any other nut of your choice. I'm going to make a simple design, because why not, right? So this is ready to go in the oven at 350 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes. So guys, our cinnamon zucchini bread is ready, and let's give this a taste now. You see how nicely it has baked? Ooh. So we're just cutting through it. You can see specks of zucchini through the flour. So let's just take a taste now, okay? You can see it feels so soft, and it is perfectly cooked, perfectly baked. So guys, I have shown you the recipe for zucchini bread made out of almond flour and whole wheat flour. Definitely try this recipe, give us your feedback. We are on Facebook, Instagram, as well as on YouTube, and you can log on to the website makefooddamedicine.com, and I'll see you next week with another delicious recipe. Until then, ta-ta.